this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Pasquini Livia 90 here. So this machine needed a new pump and a tune-up, so I just replaced the pump here. So you can see this one is from 2005, so it's pretty old. Replaced that with a brand new pump, and then I descaled the boiler, I backflushed the group head, deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, deep cleaned the group head again, like removing the distribution plate, and replaced the screen and gasket. Here's the screen, and the gasket was like a silicone gasket, so replaced that. And now I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you that the machine is working. This is just our test coffee, so it's not going to pull a perfect shot, but it's just to show you that the machine does work. Alright, here's our shot of espresso and our steam. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.